Unlock your future with a bachelor's degree in industrial technology. Are you ready to take a lead? Today's ever-evolving industrial world. The Bachelor of Industrial Technology program is your getaway to a career field with innovation, problem solving, hands-on, and expertise.
Tired of the sweltering heat? Feeling drained and uncomfortable?
Experience the future of cooling with Sanyo Air Conditioner. Our innovative air conditioners are equipped with the latest technology to keep you cool and comfortable. Enjoy smart controls, energy-saving modes, and quiet operation. Take control of your comfort with our user-friendly app.
Hi, my name is John Berta Cruz. Before I got my Sanyo air conditioner, I was miserable during the summer. The heat was unbearable, but now my home is an oasis. The cooling is powerful and the unit is super quiet, and I'm finally sleeping through the night. I can recommend them enough. That's all.
I'm so glad I choose Sanyo air conditioner. My energy bills have gone down and I'm finally comfortable in my own home.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark Ganyas. I'm so glad I chose Sanyo. The installation was quick and professional. I highly recommend Sanyo to anyone looking for a reliable air conditioner. If you want to know more about them, you can check their FB page or also their website.
Hi, I'm John Dave Bergamento. I love the smart control on my Sanyo air conditioner. I can adjust the temperature from anywhere, even when I'm not home. It's so convenient.
You know. Please.
I'm amazed by how energy efficient this unit is. It keeps my home completely cool while saving money on my energy bills.
Don't wait, shape the future of industry today. Enroll the Bachelor of Industrial Technology program and turn your passion into a professional.
Our units deliver powerful cooling while using less energy, keeping you cool and your energy bills low. Enjoy better sleep, improved focus, and a more comfortable home for your entire family. For more information, visit our website at www.sanyo.com.ph to find the perfect unit for your needs.